All the stone wall work and driveways done by these guys, Hemlock Hill. John and his crew have been outstanding. Well, a week or two ago I did a tour of the driveway, what was to come, and this is what has become. This was the first originally planned retaining wall. This is the first base coat of the driveway. Saturday, tomorrow, I will get the final top coat. Since the materials were on hand, we added this small retaining wall around the deck support. We paved the sidewalk into the steps to the porch, so everything is all together and neat. Looking at the main parking area for visitors and friends. Recently I had to put this fence up, and with the fence going up I had smaller retaining walls put between the original planned retaining wall and the fence, and these are now going to be flower beds. Where these two panels are located, centered on each of these panels, is going to be two small evergreens, one in memory each of my mom and dad. So this will all be eventual flowers here. Here on this slope and on the top of it will all be grass. And then we have a long flower bed here, which is 5 panels wide at 6 feet each. So it's almost 30 feet of planting beds. Just past the fence and the retaining wall, this area of fresh topsoil is what's called a dry well. This is about a 10-foot by 25-foot area. It's about 15 feet deep. First was laid with a cloth fabric, backfilled with stone. The cloth fabric put back on top of the stone, and then backfilled with earth. This will help with drainage on those heavy rainstorms. Looking back towards the house and the garage, like I said, this is the first base coat. John and his crew, one of the things they also did, which was outstanding, is they took a concrete saw and they cut the apron of the garage, so we have a nice clean edge, so the blacktop meets the cement apron with a nice clean edge. John and his crew did not spare any details. These guys are outstanding, and the work is just stunning. Better than I could have ever hoped for. Hope you enjoy this video.